Hello there you guys, your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you hit the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you guys like what I do here, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and share me with the world. So today you guys, I'm going to be doing a wash day featuring SheaMoisture or using SheaMoisture. If you do not know, I am a SheaBassador for 2018. I just did a whole wash day using nothing but this box here, so we're gonna jump right into it. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get into wash day. Alright you guys, so this is the final results of my little wash and go using only the SheaMoisture products. I am now going to step into part 2 of this video. I didn't want to make this video too long, so this portion is just a demo of me showing you guys how I use the product. Now we're going to talk about the review, so stay tuned for the next video so that I can dive into these products and let you guys know exactly how I feel about them and all that fun stuff. All right, so I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.